with the KX Storm team.
I'm Ellen with the Minot Symphony Orchestra, inviting you to attend the Remarkable Farkle McBride Saturday afternoon at 3 o'clock. Hey, Tom, how's the weather?
Oh, that really sounds like a fun thing. And I want to point out, besides it being at Anna Nicole Nelson Hall, it's at 3 o'clock, not the normal nighttime start. They want more kids to show up, right? So bring the kids. Saturday at 3. Here's what you need to know over the next several days. Areas of snow are likely tonight and tomorrow. Some areas will get a little more than others. None of it's going to be very heavy. We will have roller coaster temperatures. Today was a nice little ride up the hill. Tomorrow is going, and Friday will be down the hill a little bit. And it'll go back up on Saturday. So that's kind of what we've got going. And then at least, if not earlier, by the end of next week, I think we have some colder weather on the way. It looks very nice in Bismarck right now, right at the thawing mark, 32 degrees. Isn't that nice? And it's not even windy, just a 6-mile-an-hour breeze. In Minot, it's a little more cloudy, and the temperature's 34 degrees, and the winds out of the west at only 6 miles an hour. And in Williston, somewhat cloudy sky, just a little bit below the freezing mark at 30 degrees, and a little more wind at 10 miles an hour. Dickinson's 35, and even a little more of a breeze in Dickinson, 17-mile-an-hour west breeze. So here are some of the other temperatures around western North Dakota, and to the east of Highway 83, the places that we would expect to be colder are, but otherwise we're looking at 30s, mid-30s, upper 30s in quite a few areas. And the wind has been, for the most part today, west or southwesterly, and it's been 5 to 15 miles an hour as an average. Now, obviously, in Bowman, it's 17 miles an hour, but still not all that windy right now, which is a good thing. It's nice so you can go outside and not get just nailed by the wind chills. And on the Cartiva of Minot wind chill map, coldest wind chills would be at Ashley and Medina at 12. And again, that's above zero. So yes, it's cold, but it's not seriously cold. So now we're looking at the precision cast. By 7 o'clock tonight, could be some light snow in western North Dakota. You can see these little wind streams here. They're white, so it continues to be light wind. And then it just, did you notice how those just real hit and miss? Some places getting a little bit of snow, some not. The wind will be kicking around to the north. And then by tomorrow morning, looks like possibly a little more substantial snow in western North Dakota, in southwestern North Dakota by tomorrow afternoon. The colors of the lines are changing, means a little more wind. And then you can see how that snow just kind of hangs around there in the west. And we could even get some more snow on Friday as well. And when you're talking about potential snow amounts, this is through Friday morning. The west, possibly the northwest, but the west, we could be looking at a little over an inch of snow, maybe up to 2 inches or so, but most of us will get a lot less than that. So the next 8 to 14 days, and I'm talking about February 13th for the 19th. This particular map doesn't indicate how cold it's going to be, but the jet stream is going to be really far south. It is possible we'll get a shot of Arctic air in. Next 72 hours for Dickinson, the best odds for snow will be tomorrow, and then some odds on Saturday as well. And it looks like Williston, kind of up and down temperatures over the next few days. Tonight, it's not bad, right? We're talking about February and having these kind of temperatures. Boy, I like that. And daytime highs tomorrow will be colder again. In some cases, 5 to 10 degrees colder. Here is a look at the next 7 days. And you can see the temperatures kind of bouncing around a little bit here. And then it looks like towards the middle, at least of next week, we might be getting a little bit colder. But still, Lauren and Nicholas, I don't think we're going to get a lot of snow. But just kind of keep an eye on next week. We might need the heavy jackets again.
All right, will do. But nice, beautiful.